Bioluminescence is one of the most beautiful biological wonders, illuminating a wide range of environments from the depths of the ocean to a small forest just down the street. But how does it work? In this video, we'll go over what bioluminescence is, how the chemical reaction behind it works, and what it is used for. Starting with the definition, bioluminescence is the process of chemiluminescence, any chemical reaction that produces light happening inside of a living organism. Interestingly, bioluminescence is considered to be a cold light, meaning that only 20% of the light produced is heat, and the rest of the energy from the chemical reaction is visible light. The ocean is a very diverse environment for those animals, as 80% of all bioluminescent animals live there, such as the anglerfish and jellyfish, while the others live on land, such as fireflies and mushrooms. So now how does it work? To understand bioluminescence, all we need to know are luciferin, a protein, luciferase, an enzyme, oxyluciferin, a byproduct, and oxygen, which is, just oxygen. This whole reaction takes place with the help of the luciferase enzyme, which speeds up the entire reaction. When a luciferin reacts with the oxygen, it is oxidized and combines to form a byproduct called oxyluciferin. During this reaction, light is produced, and this is what we perceive as bioluminescence. The oxyluciferin is then recycled back into the luciferin with the help of another enzyme called the luciferin regenerating enzyme to repeat the cycle. And bioluminescence will stay lit as long as there is luciferin and oxygen present. One thing to note in the deep ocean is that all of the light produced is blue-green because these colors are shorter wavelengths of light that are able to penetrate both shallow and deep water. The wavelength of red light is too long to reach the deeper ocean, which is why a lot of creatures down there are red, as they are effectively invisible with a lack of red light down there. So now we know what it is and how it works. Why do organisms do it? The most famous example is probably as a bait in the case of an anglerfish, where she would dangle her bioluminescent bait on top of her head to attract curious fish to swim into her mouth. Bioluminescence is used defensively as well, to startle predators or be used as distractions. One interesting use is counter-illumination, where some fish light up their undersides to match the light coming from above. As you can see, from a predator's perspective from below, the fish is camouflaged by the natural light above the waters. Bioluminescence can also be used in communication, with the prime example being fireflies, who use this chemical reaction to indicate that they're looking for a mate. And there we have it. Through a simple chemical reaction between luciferin and oxygen, so many different species of organisms are able to produce light to hunt, hide, or communicate. The versatility of this process explains why bioluminescence has evolved 40 times independently at least in the evolution tree, lighting up night skies and deep oceans. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and stay hydrated.